In order to use the automation feature in the software, click on the icon Document Generator, which is located at the left side of the home page. Then, go to the Groups section and click Add Group. Type the relevant group name, which is easily identifiable. Start adding group variables by clicking the icon Add. Type the variable name or code which you have used in the precedence. Alternatively, you may speed up the process by clicking the icon Copy Variables from Existing Group if you intend to utilize the same variable name or code from any existing group. Finally, click Submit to create the new group in the system.